How to make an outdoor couch from a twin mattress. Add some extra comfort to your backyard by making an outdoor couch from a twin bed. Perhaps once the kids leave home for good, you could use one of the twin beds left behind to create some new, comfy furniture for the backyard. Things you will need: twin bed and frame, plastic cover for the bed mattress, twin size fitted sheet, pillows, 3 wood boards, power drill, wood equal to the length of the twin bed and at least 3 feet high. Purchase a plastic cover for the mattress of a twin bed. Place the cover on the mattress to protect the mattress from wet weather. Then, move the entire twin bed and bed frame to the backyard. Position the twin bed in the area of the yard where you would like to have an outdoor couch. Ensure that the plastic cover is firmly over the mattress and then place a fitted sheet over the mattress. 2. Use either a solid color sheet or a print pattern sheet, depending on what kind of mood you want the couch to have. Purchase throw pillows to place on top of the mattress. Use at least 4 throw pillows in varied shapes, such as round, square and oblong. You may also wish to use one long pillow that fits the entire length of the couch. Use pillows in fabrics that are waterproof or thin enough to dry quickly after getting wet from rain. Colorful pillows are beautiful in an outdoor setting, so choose pillows in vibrant colors that will add beauty to the couch. Add a solid back to the couch, if you wish, by drilling holes in the metal bed frame with a power drill. Then, attach boards at least 2 inches thick and 3 feet high to the bed frame by using a bolt and screw through the board and into the hole in the bed frame. Screw on the screw to the bolt to hold the board firmly to the bed frame. Continue this process until you have at least 3 boards attached vertically to the bed frame. Purchase a large piece of wood the size of the length of the twin bed and at least 3 feet high. Hammer this long piece of wood horizontally to the strips already attached to the bed frame to make a back to the couch. Then, either waterproof the wood or cover it in paint or varnish. Add a colorful blanket over the sheet on the mattress. Then, cover the mattress with throw pillows to add a festive touch to the couch. Tips: warnings. Use a twin bed that is solid and has a sturdy frame. Lock the wheels of the bed so the couch cannot move. Check carefully to ensure that none of the nails used has a nail head that protrudes from the wood and could cause injury.